Buckle up, folks. We're off on a whirlwind trip to Sao Paulo, the vibrant heart of Brazil. This city, with a staggering population of over 12 million, is a melting pot of cultures, oddities, and wonders. Fact 1. Sao Paulo is home to the largest Japanese community outside of Japan. Yes, you heard that right. Sushi, anyone? Fact 2. This bustling metropolis hosts the world's largest gay pride parade, a true testament to its diverse and inclusive spirit. Fact 3. Sao Paulo is known as the city of drizzle. Rain or shine, the city's energy never wanes. Now, let's dive into the weird and wonderful. Fact 1. There's a neighborhood named Batman Alley. No, the Dark Knight doesn't live there, but it's a haven for stunning street art. Fact 2. Sao Paulo houses a traffic jam museum. Yes, a museum dedicated to gridlocks. Talk about embracing the chaos. Fact 3. The city's public telephone booths are shaped like futuristic helmets. A call from the future, perhaps? Phew, what a journey. Fascinating, isn't it? If you're as intrigued as I am, follow me on Instagram at Mr.Gurgels for more exciting facts and adventures. Sao Paulo awaits your discovery.